Okay, so we are at Hidden Falls Adventure Park in Marble Falls, Texas, and it is a wonderful 90% chance of rain today. So this is going to be our first time at this park with it raining all day. So it should definitely make for an interesting day, especially because everything's going to be slicked over, which is going to increase the difficulty level for sure, which is cool because it gets us more experience and allows us to hit some of the trails we've already done before, but in a new kind of way because it'll be a slightly different obstacle because of how wet it is. But we're going to get to the rest area, get our tires aired down, and we're going to hit these trails. And also, we got a first-time Jeeper with us, Amber. She's a good friend of ours. She just got her Jeep, and we did a little lift kit on it. She's going to be out here for the first time hitting these trails too, and she's in a 2013 JK with a 2.5-inch lift and 33-inch tires. So we'll see how she fares out here against the slick rocks and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna air down real quick. We're actually at the trailhead of TRO. We're gonna hit that one first because it's like a level 2, I think. It's one of the feature trails in the OnX app. If you actually look at it, it's a pretty cool trail to check out. It's just basically a creek bed that you drive through. It's probably about, if you take your time, it could be about 4 hours, but if you move through pretty quickly, it's about a 2-hour trail. It's a good beginner level trail too, so we're gonna hit that one first. Okay, go down this slow because it's about maybe a 12, 14 foot drop. So just ride your brake.
Just go straight?
Yep, just go straight. Just ride your brake. You're coming down slow. There you go. Start turning driver. Yep. It doesn't look like nothing from this angle.
I know.
It doesn't look like anything. The other angle is so much better.
Has her wheels turned.
Yep,
Okay.
just like that. All right, so a little passenger. Little passenger, right there. Control as you go. Go.
Keep going. Woo!
All right, straighten up, right there. You're gonna come up on the driver first, so you're gonna tilt. Driver. All right, you got it.
Yep.
Good, straighten up your wheels. Straighten up, right there. You're gonna come up on your passenger first. All right, keep going. Turn it to it. Good. All right, start trying to crawl up that. Come on. Up. Come on. Up, up, up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Driver, passenger. There you go. Come on. You got it. Come on. So hold on.
You had it.
Hold on. Let me see. Back up towards me. Get it. Go, 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 go. Yeah, girl.
Show why I peed. So if you had one last night, tell him he can have one today, and if that's now, that's now, and if that's not now, or if he doesn't now, then he won't get none when he gets pizza later. I'm not worried about pizza. Let me talk to him real quick. Well, it's not that our service, we were outside and doing the trail thing, I didn't have my phone on me. Hi, baby, what you doing? Okay, you need to listen to Kylie, okay? You need to be the babies. Okay? I love you, my loves. Mwah. Huh? What? Okay, I told Kylie you can have one a day. So if you have yours right now, then you won't have it later tonight when you get pizza. Okay? Oh yeah. Yours is nice.
Just like that. Keep coming. There you go, just like that. There you go.
Yeah.
It's alright. Just your fender. Back up.
Yeah.
Back up. Back up.
They're not so
back
bad.
up, Back up. Back up. Okay, hold on. Go. Passenger. Go that. Okay, go. Yeah, go.
That's a lot. In general.
Right there. Right there. You got it. Oh, go driver now. Go driver. Driver. Keep coming. Driver.
Okay, turn towards him.
Turn and go. Turn and go. Turn and go. Woo! Right there. Passenger. Oh, go driver now. Go
Driver.
Driver. Keep coming. Driver.
Babe, turn towards him.
Turn and go. Turn and go. Turn and go.
Woo! Damn.
Come on. Go, go, go.
Start coming, driver. You're gonna crawl up on that wall.
Go. Go, go, go. There you go. Keep going. Go. Give it gas. Go. Woo!
Go. There you go.
There you go. Woo!
There you go.
Ah! Fuck it. Keep going. Hold on.
You got it.
Good job, babe.
You're good.
Just give it some ump.
Perfect. Straighten up. You got it.
Oi.
See what made this bad? So this is the type of obstacle right here that makes this bad because you have two undercuts and you have a point. So when your tires come into contact here, your rear differential hits right here. And you're just going to hit this on your dip every single time. This is one of the hardest obstacles with undercuts with a point like this because you literally have nowhere to go to reposition your differential to crawl up it. These are very difficult to get up. The only thing that gets you up these is bigger tires and bigger lifts. Come forward and go passenger. Well, it looks like we got ourselves in quite a bit of a predicament here. So I'm in there's a big, huge rut offset camber here, and I got wedged and busted my bead. So we're gonna try to winch up here, change my tire out, and see if I can't get that remounted. This should be fun. Stop.
Maybe it got a wrap, under wrap, over under.
No.
Well, the thing I can't see how it's pulling it. Big pull. Are you gonna be? It went down again.
I think it's just over undering itself, huh?
We're off the press. We're off the press.
That's what I'm doing. Yeah, it's
Hey, this is off to the top. I can't even. It doesn't even go out.
It's probably similar to like a crane where it'll.
Is that out or in?
That was in. It's not going in anymore.
Yeah, so it's.
Okay,
He needs to get it
Get
straight.
out and drive and do it all. Get over there and hit the top of it.
I'll hit it first. You just want to go straight winch?
Hold on. No. All right. Try to pull it in. Pull it. Okay. Up. It's on the roller. Okay.
Love this for us.
This is tire, right? So you're going to have to come forward. You're good. Straighten up. Or keep it cut, actually. Keep going. All right, now straighten up. All right, now cut it. Yeah. You're
Hey,
almost
move
on
back, babe.
MSG. Now what? You're good? Straighten up. All right, now keep it cut, actually. Keep going just like you are. All right, now straighten up.
Straight, baby.
All right, now cut it. Yeah. Well, it's bound to happen. Lost a bead, And then my winch wouldn't work, so I couldn't get up to where I wanted to get up, but that's all right. We still got to a good spot. So now, I just got to get it changed out. To my spare, and then hopefully the shop at the front's still open. We can get this thing changed out.
If not, I'm sure somewhere local is open. You know? I'm sitting on your bumper, Amber, because...
So my job had this bingo game, and they had this contractor come in, and, or a client, and they had like a giveaway, and this little mat from TRO, it's a little tool bag. It cinches up into a tool bag, but it also opens up into a floor mat. I won this thing like almost 7 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, and every time I go off-roading, I bring it, and this is the first time I've actually ever needed it, and I'm glad I brought it, because it's just out of habit I bring it, and on a terrain all wet and rocky and brutal like this, man, this thing's padded, it's thick padded, so it just makes life a little bit more comfortable in a bad situation.
Don't lose your lugs. So you did have your lug nut thing?
Yeah.
Your lock thing?
That's good.
Okay, good.
Well,
Ooh, muscle man.
Okay, let's go.
it's a little scratched up, but it doesn't look bowed out.
Oh, we got one off.
Long way.
All right, so the impact wasn't strong enough to take these lugs off. Luckily, we bring a breaker bar because we come prepared, but the only thing I don't have that I wish I had was some accelerant, like starter fluid, because if I had starter fluid, I could just clean the rim and reseat the bead, but I don't have any accelerant. I have WD-40, but I don't think that would work. I don't think it'd burn fast enough. So, whatever. Get this off, get this changed out. That's all right. We'll see if someone else can help us out front. Maybe they have some. Or if we had a ratchet strap, we could ratchet it, but because I have an air compressor, I just don't have a strong enough air compressor to probably push the air through to pop the bead back on, because the back bead's still on.
To push a little air through.
Oh, man.
Is that mud? Oh, you got
20
mud
pounds.
inside.
Add another 20 pounds to the tire from the mud.
That's a heavy ass tire.
Yeah. It's even heavier when it's packed full of mud.
You weren't gonna put this back. Oh, you said you can put
Yeah,
it
I'm
in
gonna
bed
throw
of
it at
Richards.
truck and take it up front and see if they can see if they can remount it for me.
This is a big old baby too.
Yeah, it's
He's a fat
14, 37, 14. That's
You might have to jack it up more.
it's a wide. Nah, height is the same. It's just the width.
That's what she said.
We need to get.
All right. Just don't do it a second time.
Yeah. Well, this one's not getting air down. It's just gonna ride how it is. Yeah.
Do you think that's the reason it did that?
Yeah. I'm measured to like 4 to 5 psi without bead lock, so it's bound to happen. You know, it's
You didn't rupture the tire. It just...
No. I've been wheeling like this for 2 years without bead locks since the first time I busted beads.
I want to get bead
It
locks.
just pinched it like in a really bad spot.
It's at the
And then
rim.
like, whenever you
it
started sliding
keeps
to the
the-
right,
they
I bet
get-
if it wasn't slippery, it wouldn't have happened.
Yeah.
Hammered on.
alright.
Like there's a reason. It's it on so like it doesn't happen.
It's part of it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Just fault mistake. Oh, hey.
The tire just wants a little bit more love.
Oh man, I'm tired.
Don't break an angle.
Just reach out and say, hey man, you want to hurt me? Here you go. See, and a lot of people when they go off roading, they bring like
Don't lose the
Richard
Richard.
shop
Get,
somewhere.
they bring all kinds of jacks, but this is what I have. I have this 2-ton scissor lift, and I welded that plate on the bottom of here. It gives me a nice big mud plate, and it secures the ground that I'm lifting off of. And 4 jacks are great, and bottle jacks are great too, and there's all kinds. But the high lift jack, I had one of those too, but man, they're just so sketchy and dangerous. I just don't feel comfortable picking up my vehicle and getting underneath it with that. There's a reason why
Right.
we call them dead man jacks. And now this little thing here, how neat this is.
Let me see, babe.
It turns into a little tool bag.
Aw, look at your little purse.
Yep. It's my
Your little
off-roading
man purse.
Yep, my off-roading man purse. And this zips up.
What is that?
This is what cinches it.
phone?
Oh, yeah.
No, I meant that.
That's what keeps it together. So that way it won't open up. So
I
you
thought it
undo
was
that.
a measuring tape.
So did
No,
I.
you undo this and it stretches out. So that way it can lay open. Then when you're done, you just pull this and it cinches it up and it keeps it closed.
That's
And there's
good.
little pouches on the inside so you can put your wrenches and sockets and all that stuff. But I have a toolbox for that. This is just for me to have something to lay down on.
Right.
whenever things like
Which
this happen.
came in handy.
Absolutely. So,
Your handy dandy purse.
yep. Well, let's get this all put up and get down this trail, and we can go to the front and see if we can get this other rim. Yep, you're good after this. You're good. You can drive.
Does he have less of a problem with the tilt factor?
Yeah, he's a lot wider, so he's a lot easier going and stuff like this. He can straddle it a lot better because he's wider.
Yeah. Gets a lot more torque from each tire too. There he goes.
So unfortunately, the shop that literally is right outside of this place is closed today. So that's unfortunate because we were going to bring this there to see if they could take the bead completely off and clean this out for us, so that way we could get it remounted and balanced. The nearest place is like 20 minutes from here, so that's 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back, then however long the wait is. And then they told me they're not even sure if they can remount it for me if the tire is damaged or the bead and whatever else. So we decided what we're going to do is we're just going to try to get out as much mud as we can, and then we're going to do the old ratchet strap shit because we don't have any accelerant here. So we're just going to try to ratchet strap it down because only the outer bead busted, the inner bead's still good, it's still on there. So we're going to try to put a ratchet strap on here, cinch it down and air it up and see if we can't get the seat to take. And if it does, then I'm just going to put this back on and continue wheeling today. And then when I get back to Houston, I will take it to my local tire shop that I go to for all my tire needs and see if they can break this down and remount it, well, clean it and rebalance it for me, because it's going to be off the balancing regardless because the lug pattern shifted around to where it was balancing. If you look at where the weights are at, look at, show them how many weights this thing took to balance.
Just a few.
Yeah, just a couple. So it's probably about that time where I needed to rebalance it anyway, so I'll just bring it to them and be like, hey man, you need to break this down and clean it for me, rebalance, because there's mud all inside of here. And then hopefully I'm not too wobbly on the road, and if I am, then I'll just put the iRock back on because that one's balanced at least, and I'll just rock the iRock all the way home. I just don't want to rock it out because it's wider. Not that that's an issue because that's a 37, this is a 36, but the 36 is a 36.3 and the 37 is actually a 36.5. So they're not that far off from each other. So it shouldn't be that big of a deal, but I just don't want it to be an issue driving home. So try to get this one back on here if I can. If I can't, then oh well, it is what it is. This is part of it, right? You do it long enough, stuff like this is bound to happen. If I had accelerant, then we could just fill it up and then just pop it back on, but we don't. So we're gonna do what we can. You know, any other time we come here, there's never any mud. It's always just sand and dirt and rock. And of course, the day I bust my bead is the day it's all muddy and nasty outside. Worst case scenario. Learning experience. That's what it is. Let's see if we can do this. See if we can get this done right. Maybe. That's why it's valve stem's not in there. I gotta get the valve stem inside the.
You got any screwdrivers or anything?
They're in Amber's Jeep.
I got the pry bar.
Okay, yeah. Just don't want to bust the other bead off, but yeah, let's go ahead. We got the ratchet strap on there, we cranked it down, we cleaned the ram off, and we got the valve stem back on the right side of the bead, so it is going, so this should pop. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Oop,
Oh!
Woo, got it done. All right, so now all I gotta do is just put about 5 psi in there, switch my tire back out, and then we're ready
clean
to hit
it
the
up.
truss. Well, I'm gonna wait till we get back to Houston. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to my tire guy, and I'm gonna have him break the rim down and clean the tire.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
the
inside?
rim, yeah, so he can rebalance it because the balance is gonna be way off now.
Yeah.
So, but give me a gauge. There's one in my glove box, so we can check the PSI and get it right, and then we'll swap them out. Yeah.
Good
Now
job.
I have a spare again.
Good job, guys.
All right, we're gonna get this changed back out real quick, and then go hit the trim. My balance is gonna be way off, but it's okay.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the
No,
I think the things came off.
Thread it back on,
Watch out, Nikki.
and then wiggle it off.
He's worse than the kids.
I know.
I have ibuprofen if you need some.
Oh yeah, I do too. I have Tylenol.
Ibuprofen is
Anti-inflammatory. Tylenol is
Yes, sir. Smarty pants.
reducer. Acetaminophen.
My shoulder just popped.
I heard that.
Was that the shoulder?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's always a good sign. Yeah, just pick those lugs up and it's lined up. Just grab those lugs.
We're old.
5, 6, 7, 8, and go.
Pick it up.
Don't lift with your back, guys.
There you go. There you go. Okay, we're
Watch your feet, booba.
all right. Yeah, just.
Hurts.
Yep, I know the feeling.
Want some ibuprofen?
For once, I know the feeling.
I have some if you need
I have
some.
Tylenol.
It's not an anti-inflammatory.
Ibuprofen. It's an anti.
It is. It's better for what's wrong with him. Same with his back too. And there's some heavy wing drop.
Big
wing
fat
drops.
raindrop. Raindrop
Wing.
falling on my head.
You're making me shake.
Big
your-
fat raindrop.
Oh, my bad.
Rain.
Where'd the key
Drop,
go?
big fat raindrop.
The key was on
Sometimes
the
it
mat.
even
Where's
rains sideways.
that? The key was on the mat. Where's it at now? Right there.
The
beside
key
it.
is
That's
under the mat.
It's
Oh,
by
no,
the
it's
impact. I mean, all I got to wear tonight is shorts.
I got some leggings. Oh wait,
You're wearing them?
no, I have extra ones, but
You're gonna need them?
it's my DP.
I have the ones I wore yesterday.
Oh,
I got a long sleeve.
oh yeah, never mind. I was like, these are not so bad, and then I went with this and I'm like,
Good check. Double check.
Double check.
Good job, team.
He's gonna have to bump it. He has it, just needs a little bit of a bump. There it goes. Driver! Driver!
Can you make that?
It's choking me out in the seatbelt.
Amber's probably screaming at him now.
That's the thing though, Justin does what he wants.
That's true. Can you get out of that? No.
Rain.
Oh god. I don't think you can get out of that. No.
I love the sound effects.
Dude. Oh no. I don't know how I'm gonna get down. I'm gonna walk down this bitch.
He's calling me. Yeah, going good.
It's hard to.
You got it?
I keep trying to focus on the rain.
Yeah, I saw. that was a lot of fun. We got here this morning at 8 o'clock and it was kind of raining on us. Aired our tires down, hit the trails, and I have to tell you, like, a lot of these trails that I've done so many times before were unrecognizable because how rutted out they were and how sloppy everything was. There was a group of Jeeps and Broncos ahead of us, and they were all looked to be on 40s, and they were just rutting everything up and just tearing up all the trails, which it's fine. It's fun doing that type of stuff, but it definitely made it for a different type of a level of difficulty for us. And then probably the biggest challenge of the day was whenever, obviously, we got the flat tire, which was still fun, and we got to experience that and do something long enough. Eventually, something bad's going to happen or something's going to go wrong. But we got it fixed. Found out my winch isn't working, so at least now I know I need to fix that too. And then, other than that, it was a good time. Besides, I hurt my shoulder trying to put my tire back on after we got the bead seated. After we seated the bead, I was trying to put it back on the Jeep. Something in my shoulder popped, so I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but it hurts pretty bad. So, well, that's it for this adventure to Hidden Falls, guys. Thanks for watching and checking us out. See you next time.
Take the next right.
The way it looks.